So all of you should have taken your 12 pictures for your Zoetrope, and you're going to put those from whatever device you have them on onto your Google Drive. Because on your Google Drive, you can go ahead and open that through a laptop. And on your laptop, in this case, I have Google File Stream already on, so I can just go to my Windows Explorer. Otherwise, you're going to want to download those pictures from your Google Drive. You're going to go ahead and open up Google Drive. You're going to download those pictures and put them all in one folder. Get them in a nice, easy place to know of. I have mine called Zoetrope Pics, so it's all set to go. Once you have them downloaded, you've got all 12 of them ready to go, you're going to go ahead and select all of them. And the easiest way is to just click sort of down here somewhere, click and hold, and drag a big box around all 12 of them at once. All right? On one of those pictures, not off in the negative space, on one of those pictures, you're going to right-click, and you're going to ask it to print. And there's a very specific setting in this print menu that you need to know. First of all, it should default to our B1 pen printer. Yours will be some variation that'll say B1 pen. So just know that that's what you're looking for. Right now, if you press print, I will fine you. This will give you 12 full-size sheets of paper. I will make you make that 7-foot Zoetrope if you print them that big. Don't print them that big. There's this amazing little option that I've already sized our Zoetrope to that's called a contact sheet. And that contact sheet will allow me to print all 12 of those images on one sheet of paper at the perfect size. And the other thing that I like to do is I like to uncheck fit picture to frame. Sometimes this gives you an unnatural zooming that I'm not very happy with, like it crops something off that you want. So this way you get the whole picture with no cropping. Once that's ready, you're going to go ahead and press print. At that stage, you're going to go ahead and flip your sheet of paper over after it comes out of the printer and number them. This is the first. You can look at the file numbers and you should be able to tell, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Please know that if you skip the step of numbering, at one point you're going to curse yourself for skipping the step of numbering, because you're going to cut these out, they're going to get mixed up, and you're going to have that sort of frustration point that we definitely do not want. So number the back, I would say in pencil or a very light pen, something that's not like a marker that'll bleed through. You want to cut them out nice and perfect. You're then going to go ahead and come up to my front table. I will have some templates for you to trace. You need to make sure that you're tracing them. Let me get to the other screen. You're going to trace them. After you cut your 12 pictures, you're going to cut 2 black strips and 1 black circle. I do have templates, and on the templates, they already have little cut marks on them for you. It gives you an indication of what it is you need to do. But again, if you're not sure, please let me know. So again, follow your directions for printing. Number the back of the photos. Please trust me on that importance. You're going to cut out the 12 pictures and set them aside. Don't lose them. You're going to then cut out your black strips and 1 black circle. Be precise in your cutting as well. If you guys try to go off the mark for your cutting, your Zoetrope won't come together quite as easily. So try to be as exact as possible. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and get started with transferring pictures from Google Drive and getting them printed.